Hey, YouTube. Have you ever wondered, if you put a bottle rocket inside the water, would it pop or would it not? Would it fizzle thingy or would it not? What would it do? Well, you're going to figure out your answers right now. Okay? What's that lady looking at? Y'all got some staring problems or something? Dang, people, just keep driving. Dang, I'm just a little boy playing with bottle rockets. Oh, look at this water. It's all fizzly. I'll show you after this next bottle rocket, alright? Oh, I can't light it. There's no wind going on. Come on, you stupid lighter. Seriously. Hang on a second. You might want to skip this part. It's not out of fluid, is it? No. Well, I guess this video's over.